Hey, what's going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, you guys, don't forget Moshi Heads does release tomorrow. Art's super dope. I could see this pump the very first day and then probably die down the next coming days. Unfortunately, I am not gonna mint this one because I realized I am actually not whitelisted. I'll be watching that secondary market action, but if I see this pump too high, I probably won't buy in. I always don't FOMO in, you guys. And don't FOMO in because sometimes the first day could be a huge pump, and the next coming days it balances itself out. So as well, Can Pie Cubs did release today. They are right now below their mint price, which is 1 SOL. I wasn't really on Discord today. I don't know what's going on here, but I'll be checking because I didn't see much activity. Just check that activity out. It's not much for the hype that this project had. So I'll check it out later what happened here. But let's go ahead and get started with the upcoming project, which is Guild Saga. So they are actually minting on February 25th. So let's hop on their Discord here. Price is 1.5 and that supply is big. But I did expect that since this is a play to earn NFT based game. So let's check their website here. So this type of game will be an RPG type on the Solana blockchain. So they're heavily inspired by Final Fantasy. If you guys don't know what Final Fantasy is, it's one of the biggest, most popular MMORPGs out there. I play it sometimes myself. I really enjoy that game. And if you're worried that you have to mint an NFT to play Guild Saga, I have good news for you. You don't. So it's going to be free to play for everyone. They're going to have over 30 hours of story content, a combat system which builds on a tried and true tactics formula, single player gauntlet mode, and PvP. And they do not want to do the pay to win mechanics. So if you guys do enjoy playing these type of games, I'll go ahead and try it out for free. Not telling you guys to mint the NFT, but there are going to be some advantages to minting their NFT. So let's get into it. So claim your guild hero, play with your hero in the upcoming Solana Play to Earn Fantasy RPG Guild Saga. Over 700 available traits, you guys. I already mentioned February 25th. It's going to be open world. They're going to have combat. Already mentioned some of this before. Play to earn mechanics. Some lore. Like I said, 30 hours of single player mode, pretty much, of story mode. All right. So the roadmap. Mint the heroes of the guild. So that's when you're going to mint. In total, over 3,000 detailed and hand-drawn sprites comprise this NFT release. Online hero, view your hero on their website. Lore wiki, pre-release quest as well. So you'll be able to play the game before it even releases. You could even customize your characters and the team. So let's hop on back into the Discord here. And let me show you guys one of the advantages that you're gonna have if you mint the NFT. Like I said, it is a it's gonna be a free game, you guys. So anyone could play it. But if you mint a hero, their NFT, it comes with in-game use, earning boost, GGLD airdrops, which is gonna be their token, regular item airdrops as well. Like I just said, early game advantage. And they're going to receive exclusive titles and other perks to show off in the PvP mode. All right. So go ahead, you guys. Supply is pretty big, but always do your own research. Check this project out, you guys. For sure. I cannot really predict what's going to happen with this project. Uh, but I would have my eyes on this. So let's go ahead and go back here. I did find this one as well. Do your own research. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already heard about this. Uh, it's a pretty cool idea. 1,000 subscription passes giving holders access to weekly Solana NFT newsletter. So that's pretty dope. And the mint price is real low, 0.5. Mint date is to be announced. So you guys go ahead, check them out. Uh, they're gonna share articles. They shared actually a sample article, so let's check it out here. It looks good, you guys. Yeah. So a lot of details going on. So go ahead, you guys, like I just said, check them out and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. This is the end of the video. Make sure you join my Discord for some alpha plays. I'm going to try to get us whitelist spots soon. I'm trying to get into big projects, but since I am not a big YouTuber yet, maybe in the future I'll be able to give you some good whitelist spots for good projects coming out. But that's all, you guys. You guys have a great one, and I'm out. Peace.